Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be examining the latest American dietary guidelines which focus on whole grains, fruits, and veggies, and we'll compare the guidelines to the carnivore diet, which has been growing in popularity due to significant health benefits reported by those who've adopted this meat-based way of eating. So stay tuned.
Let's start with whole grains. We've all been told that whole grains are crucial for fiber, vitamins, and minerals, right? But here's the thing. Everything you can get from grains, you can actually get in higher quality, more bioavailable forms from animal products. Take vitamins like B12 and minerals like zinc, for example. These are found in abundance in meat and organs like liver, and your body absorbs them much more efficiently than from plant sources. So why do we need grains if animal foods give us the same, if not better, nutrients? One word, bioavailability. That means how well your body can absorb and use the nutrients you eat. Many plant-based nutrients, like iron and calcium, aren't as easily absorbed as their animal-based counterparts. For example, the iron in whole grains is non-heme iron, which is much harder for your body to use compared to heme iron from meat. So, you're not getting as much bang for your buck when it comes to grains. Next up, let's talk about fruits and vegetables. You're probably thinking, but what about all the vitamins and antioxidants? Well, it turns out that all the essential vitamins you need are available in animal foods and in a form that's easier for your body to absorb. Vitamins A, D, K2. All these fat-soluble vitamins are found in abundance in things like liver, fatty cuts of meat, butter, and eggs, and they're ready for your body to use right away, without the extra steps it needs to process plant-based versions. Take vitamin A, for example. In plant foods, it comes as beta-carotene, which your body has to convert into usable vitamin A. But from liver or eggs, you're getting retinol, which is the active form your body can use immediately. The same goes for omega-3s. Plants give you ALA, but animal sources like fish or beef fat give you DHA and EPA, which your body uses directly. And what about fiber? Isn't that the main reason we're told to eat grains, fruits, and veggies? Well, fiber is actually not essential for gut health. I know that sounds shocking, but plenty of people on a carnivore or ultra-low-carb diet report having great digestion without fiber. In fact, some research shows that too much fiber can irritate the gut lining for some people, causing bloating and other issues. In terms of gut health, animal fats and proteins are incredibly digestible and don't require fiber to move through the system. Your gut can adapt to digesting meat and fat perfectly well without needing plant matter. Plus, your body produces its own antioxidants, so you don't need the ones from fruits and vegetables to protect your cells from damage. That's right. Your body has an incredible natural defense system that's supported by a nutrient-rich, animal-based diet. Now, you might be wondering, but what about the antioxidants in fruits and veggies? Don't I need those? As previously noted, your body already has its own powerful antioxidant system. And when you're eating animal foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, you're giving your body everything it needs to fight oxidative stress. Plus, some plant compounds like lectins and oxalates can actually interfere with nutrient absorption and may cause issues for some people. These are plant defense chemicals, basically ways for plants to protect themselves from being eaten. Now, I'm not saying you need to cut out fruits and veggies if you love them, but if you're someone who thrives on a carnivore or animal-based diet, you're not missing out on anything by avoiding them. In fact, you're avoiding potential gut irritants and maximizing your nutrient absorption by sticking to nutrient-dense, bioavailable foods like beef, lamb, fish, eggs, and butter. So to wrap things up, the idea that we need whole grains, fruits, and vegetables for optimal health, it's not quite true. The vitamins, minerals, and nutrients we need can all be found in animal foods, in forms that our bodies can easily use. And without the risk of plant toxins or the need for fiber, many people feel amazing on an all-meat or mostly animal-based diet. So, whether you're considering the carnivore diet or just curious about cutting back on plants, rest assured that your body can thrive without whole grains, fruits, and veggies.
Thanks so much for watching. Please let me know what you think in the comments section below. Does this change how you view the dietary guidelines? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you found this video helpful. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.